Yeah, you're welcome, ma'am. Yeah, I always tell my fellow subscribers, not subscribers, my fellow YouTubers, the young YouTubers, cause you can't just wake up one day and expect your video to go viral. Yeah, it happens. It happens. You can just post a video, it goes viral. But I would prefer create a long video. Create those long videos. They are good at watch time. They give you good watch time. Let's assume you created a 30 minutes video. 30 minutes video. Let's say it goes viral, like maybe even if it's not that big a viral for us creators, our video going viral is like hitting 1000 sub views, not one subscribers, hitting at 1000 views, then your video has gone viral because you are still young or you are still small in content creating. You are not yet there. There's those people who create a content, and for them they will tell you, if my video has not gone viral, I expect it to be at 100k views. That is the lowest views I expect. So those are the people, those people's run in million. The account run in million views. So for 100k is like a peanut to them. Imagine for us small creators, if our video got to 100k, we will be celebrating. She's asleep, guys. We will be celebrating that it has gone viral. In fact, it can even make you get monetized. That is if people give it a quality time. Some people just come, click and leave. Click and leave. Click and leave. They don't watch. They just click and leave. And that destroys your video. Let me put her to bed. Guys, my bedroom is very dirty. My bedroom is very dirty. That is why I'm telling you I'm cleaning. At least it's all about cleaning. It's all about cleaning. So you can see how it looks like. She's asleep. So we continue with the laundry. Keep it safe. So let's continue. Let's continue, guys. Let's continue. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you for those who are liking. Thank you so much. So let's continue with our laundry. I think I should place it like this. The screen is full of writings.